I'm going to share with you guys how to write some effective SEO titles and meta descriptions for your home service website that'll give it a better chance of getting found online, which ultimately equals more exposure and more leads for your business. What's up there, guys? Izzy here once again with Get Busy LLC, helping contractors and home service business owners with their website design, their SEO, getting their business found online, and learning some of this digital marketing so they can implement this stuff for themselves. And in this video, I want to talk about your title tag and your meta description of not just your website, but every single page on your website and how to write effective title tags and descriptions that'll help your website rank extremely well on Google and give it more exposure and get it found online a lot easier by your potential customers. But before I begin all that, just a quick overview exactly what the title tag and the meta description is on a website. It's one of the most basic fundamental things that you need for search engine optimization to get your business, your website found online. The title tag, I always refer to that as a folder in a filing cabinet. That tab at the top, that is where you write the title of your website page, and in this case the folder, so that it gets found. So when somebody opens that drawer and funnels through all those files in that folder, they know exactly what's inside that folder. And then your description is basically a description of what's inside that folder or what's inside that specific page on that website. So the entire goal of your SEO title and meta description is to get found for that service that you offer in the particular town that you're offering that service in. So my general rule of thumb for writing SEO title tags that will rank your website well, not just your website, but all the additional pages on your website, is to think about exactly what it is your customer is going to be typing into the Google search to look for that particular service. This is why for contractors and home service business owners, this stuff is so easy. So if you are a dumpster rental company in Bakersfield, California, it's very, very easy to title your page. My general rule of thumb is to put in the service you provide, the city you provide that in, followed up by your business name. So for this example, it would be dumpster rental, Bakersfield, California. So dumpster rental, Bakersfield, CA, and then followed by the business name. So here's a few more examples. Let's say that you are a contractor that builds pole barns out in Middle Tennessee, right? So that's exactly what you want to get found for. So it's super simple to title your website that way. So here's an example right here. So I'm a customer and I'm looking for a pole barn builder in Tennessee. I'm going to type that into Google, and you're going to see on this website, here's the title tag. It says pole barn builder in Tennessee, followed by the business name. And what you're also going to want to do is to write that exact search term into your description. So it gives you a better opportunity, gives you more chance to get found online. Like I said, what Google's doing is creating like a filing cabinet of pages that are useful to the end user. So by you titling it correctly, just like this, and in the description, you're letting the search engine know, look, this page is about pole barn builder in Tennessee, and the description also backs that up and tells the end user that, and the search engine, that exactly what this page is all about. So here's that it right there. And you see in the description, it says pole barn builder in Tennessee. We build garages, barns, sheds, houses in Middle Tennessee, hundreds of projects, free quote right there. Here's another example, junk removal business out in Rosario, Texas, a small town out there, but still it doesn't matter. Make sure you title your page, especially your homepage here, for that exact search term that somebody's typing in when they need a search, when they need a junk removal service. So junk removal Rosario, Texas, you'll see this website, which is ranking number one because it's following all these rules. You see professional junk removal Rosario County, Texas, followed by the name Holgon. And then you're going to see in the name, you're going to see in the description that's also in here. So it's junk removal, but you see junk removal in all of Rosario right there. So this is one of the reasons this website is ranking well on the search results. And of course, all the on-page stuff and all this stuff also helps. You'll see right here, everything's on here. So here's another oddball one, just to show you that this works no matter the industry, no matter what it is that you're trying to rank for. So let's say I recently helped some guys with the RV park out in Granbury, Texas. Brand new website, RV Park, Granbury, Texas. Right? This is what somebody's going to type into Google when they're looking for an RV park in that town of Texas. And you're going to see it's already starting to rank here on Google. See, it's already number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 on the search results. And what did I do? I put in beautiful Granbury RV Park. So here's Granbury RV Park. And then I put the business name, Lake Granbury RV Resort. If for some reason Google sometimes switches them around, but the way that I titled it, I always put the actual search term that I want to get found for, followed by the business name. And then you're going to see in the description the exact same thing. Lake Granbury RV Resort provides wonderful surroundings, superior facilities, blah, 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 blah. Glen Rose, Granbury, Texas. So in here, again, we're telling the search engine that we want to get found for RV Park, RV Resort in Granbury, Texas. And this is one of the reasons this page is already starting to climb up the search results because we structured it exactly for that specific search and we titled the SEO titled perfectly just for that. Now, what you want to do is you want to make sure you put in the proper title tag and meta description, not just for your homepage, but every single page of your website. So if you are a concrete contractor, I'm going to use this as an example, you're going to have multiple services, not just concrete contractor, right? If you are a junk removal business, you're not just going to do junk removal. You're going to have appliance removal. You're going to have furniture removal. You're going to have commercial junk removal, anything like that. So you build specific pages for each one of those services and you make sure you title tag perfectly that page and a description for each individual page. And the reason that you want to do that is so each one of those individual pages will start to rank on the Google search results, which equals more traffic for your business for different specific pages in different locations. You can even do this for location pages. So if you are in, for example, the city of Fresno, California, junk removal or roofing contractor, Fresno, California, there's a city right next to Fresno called Clovis. You could build an additional page on your website that says roofing company near Clovis, California. So that page will show up when somebody's typing in roofing contractor, roofing company in Clovis, California, that sort of thing. So here's the example. So Bay Area concrete contractor, we wanted to get found for that search term. And here is the website showing up on that first page. And what did we do? Again, Bay Area concrete contractor, SDW construction. That's in the title tag. And then here's the description. We are the Bay Area concrete contractor residents and business owners count on for quality concrete work. You see how Google even emphasizes this for the end user because it's exactly what I was searching for. It'll highlight this. So it gives me an idea of maybe this is the website that I want to visit. So now let's go to each individual pages he's got. He's got a bunch of pages, but let's say concrete driveways, installing concrete driveways in the Bay Area. So he does concrete driveways. So what did we do for this page? We fixed up the title tag for this and also the meta description so we get found for concrete driveways installations in the Bay Area. So we'll go ahead and do the search and see if this business and this website even shows up. So we'll do this right here, concrete driveway installation in the Bay Area, and you're going to see this Bay Area concrete contractor. The actual homepage is showing up, not that page, but the fact that we have that page on this website could be the reason it's pushing this page to the top of the search results for that specific search. Now let's go to another service that he's got. Let's do concrete patios. Let's do concrete patios. I'm sure there's not that much competition for that. So here's his concrete patios page. Again, a page specifically designed for that search term, concrete patio installation in the Bay Area. So let's go ahead and look that up and see if this page shows up. Concrete patios in the Bay Area. There you go. There's that page showing up on the search results. So if somebody looks for a concrete patio installer, let's do it. Just change the search term here real quick. Concrete patio installation Bay Area. I did that search term, and there you go. There's that page at the top of the search results showing up here on Google. Let's do one more just for the heck of it. So let's go ahead and type in Shotcrete Services in the Bay Area. You're going to see that his website's right here. I don't know if that individual page is actually showing up, but the website's showing up. Not only that, I just noticed that its map listing is showing up as well because Google understands that the website connected to this listing in the map listing is showing Shotcrete Services, just like that. Right? So I'm just going to do this exact search and see what happens with this search too. Let's see, Shotcrete in the Bay Area. There's his website again, showing up because, like I said, we're basically talking about shotcrete in the Bay Area, somewhere on that website, somewhere on one of the pages it's linked to, which he does. He links out to that page from his homepage. We should have it on here. Let's take a look. Let's see here. I think I have it under. Oh, there it is under shotcrete, and it links right to that page. So that's probably what Google's seeing, and that's why it's just not even bothering to show up this page, just showing this entire homepage because it also has information about shotcrete on his homepage as well. So there you go. Of course, he's got other pages here like pool construction, wooden framing construction, new construction. Those are a lot harder to rank for. I don't think he's even ranking for that, but I don't really think he cares as long as he just gets found for this main keyword. But having all those other pages and properly titled the title tags of each specific page and each specific description just gives you more of opportunity to get found online. If you have a bunch of pages for a bunch of different services, for a bunch of different cities, a bunch of different locations, you're creating like a spider web of pages all over the internet for different search terms, which ultimately gives it more authority to the main homepage to get your business found online. But that's basically giving you an idea how to write some effective title tags and meta description. It gives you a bunch of examples you can use, and you can always just go on Google and type in different, like in your industry, let's say that you are a HVAC repair in your town, go into another town, in a bigger town, and you get some ideas of what people type into their title tag, your meta description, so you can use some of those ideas and put it over onto your website. Don't steal, don't copy, but just give you some ideas of what to do when writing your title tag and meta description, effective ones that'll get your business found online. So that's it. That's pretty much what I wanted to share with you guys, how to write some effective title tags and meta descriptions for your website, not just your website, like all of its pages, to give you a fighting chance to get all your pages and your website found online. Like I said, ultimately it leads to more leads coming into your business, more exposure for your business with more leads coming into your business. So also I wanted to share with you guys, like I said, this is very important when building a website. Now, when building a landing page, none of this even matters. All that crap goes right out the window. But a lot of people don't know the difference between a landing page and a website. And I made a video specifically for that to help explain to contractors and home service business owners. That video is right here. And that's all I got for you guys today. Until next time.